Hi everybody, this is Shamla Parthasarthi. Hope you all are fine at home, children. Fine, good. Your online classes are going on? Good. Okay. Today I'm going to tell you all a story, a short story. Before starting the story, I would like to ask you all something. Okay. I think most of you would be having pets at home like dog, cat, parrots. Okay, fine. Now, I'll put a question. When animals are sick, to whom do you go and show? To which doctor? Wow, yes, you're correct. Veterinarian doctor. Fine. Okay. Now, let us go on to the story. It's a short story called Puppies for Sale. Okay. Now, it was one fine morning. The shops on the street were opened. The signboard was displayed above the door. In one of the shop, the shopkeeper, that is the shop owner, he displayed a board on the door as puppies for sale. So when he was displaying this board, he thought to himself, yes, this will attract the children. The signboard will attract the children. And he went inside the shop. Yes, it was no surprise for him. There approached an young boy. He came and asked to the shopkeeper, how much do you cost for each puppy? The shopkeeper told, it costs round about rupees 2000. Now the boy, he said, can I see the puppies? The shopkeeper immediately smiled at the boy and he whistled. Immediately, from out from the kennel came a lady dog, followed by many fur puppies. It came near to the owner. This small boy was watching all the puppies as it was coming near to the shop owner. But he observed, he saw one puppy lagging back. It was not able to run like the other puppies. Immediately, the boy asked the owner, uncle, why that puppy is lagging back? What happened to that puppy? The shop owner told, yes, I had shown to the doctor, veterinarian doctor. The doctor examined him and told, there is no socket on his hip. He would always be lame and he should limp. You know what this boy did? He told immediately to the uncle, uncle, it is this puppy that I want to buy. The shopkeeper was shocked. He said, no, I will give you this puppy freely and you need not buy it. This boy was little angry, and he just saw the shop owner and said, "No, I want this puppy. I will pay you the full 2000 rupees." And he put his hand in his pocket, removed and counted the money. There was only 1500. He told to the uncle, "Uncle, I have got only 1500. I will give you the full amount, and at present take this 1500, and I will give you 500 back after, and take the puppy along with me." But still the shop owner did not agree for it. And he said, "No, this puppy cannot run, jump and play like the other dogs or the puppies." So this boy was again upset, and he said, "It's not necessary that all the dog should be of the same way. Each and every dog has its own worth." Shopkeeper was shocked more and more, and he was completely silent. Now, this boy, when he was out of his control now, he did not do, he was not able to say or do anything or reply more for this uncle. You know what he did? He immediately bent down, rolled up his pant leg, and revealed, "Uncle, see, this is my twisted, crippled left leg, and I have got the metal brace to hold on." Then he went near to the shop owner and he spoke softly. "Well, I cannot run myself fast. This dog puppy needs someone who can understand." So the shopkeeper was ashamed of himself. Once after the shop owner felt that he was wrong, then he agreed to the boy, appreciated him, and he said, "It's fine, you can pay me afterwards, but you can have the pup now." But this boy did not agree to it, because he knew the worth of each and every person, each and every pup. So he said, "No, I will pay you the full amount and then take the puppy." So this was a story of inspiration and understanding. So children, if you see any pup or dog, please take care of it and don't allow it to struggle. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you in next video. Bye for now. Take care, children.